Transgender Malem Thongam, who has been in fuss until date demanding restoration of peace in Manipur, was picked up by Imphalese police from her protest site at Konsam Lekai. She was earlier protest in Delhi and invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Manipur to stalk the situation in Manipur. They also, Delhi police picked up from her protest site and put her to hospital. After that, she returned to Imphal and started fast until date from day before yesterday. Today, when Imphalese police came to pick her from her protest site, there was tussle between Manipur locals and transgenders who were supporting her at her protest site. Later, Malem Thongam was picked up from the protest site and admitted to Jennings Hospital.
Bigi budak pun nak ting belai ti prajagi stendi mana ningai tahu iba saya mana mapi mapa oi ba makoi deni makoi nyala agane mana taliba di man ahum narco terrorist ka lain iba su repeal tahu bakwa aduga number 2 da Prime Minister Narendra Modi na ngasi ba budak India ki minister center ki Prime Minister na kay kita makta Manipur ki batang da single wa mag haida banu haiba saya ma adugi magi wahai chu taning phawi mangonda atom na nako aduga number 3 da mana hai se Manipur da shanti hanjala lo ha lagi nungai ba punchi da amu phana hingan si hai bane ba adugi demand se bana ta laga fasting to pa jinga si ga nimit ma pani sura pasina mayam na hai se to biu to boda bu responsible oi ba government la si council of minister lai ni minister mayam marak to gi minister khara la aga magi tawriba apamba se tungan gani ai khoi sumaila sigi pibam sida lai hairaga thembi badune ba pami ja adu themri bauki angang ge puraga ma treatment to bodo yaroi haidena khoi mayam na lai kai gi mayam na lepine bu hujik si